Hello, in front of me I have REALME Narzo 30 and I'm gonna show you how to record the screen on this device. First we need to open the quick panel. To open the quick panel, simply swipe downwards from the top of the screen twice. 1 and 2, like this. Once you open the quick panel, swipe left on the screen to go to the next page. And here we have screen recording icon. To start the recording, simply tap on this icon, then tap on continue. Here tap on agree and continue. And now we can allow or deny some permissions. I'm gonna allow them because I think if you deny most of them, the recording won't work. So I'm gonna allow them, but you can deny them, of course, if you want to. And after you're done with the permissions, this menu should appear right here. You can move it by pressing and holding on the edge of it, like this. I move it around. And on this menu we have three things. We have record icon, settings icon, and X button, which is exit. If you want to start recording, simply tap on record button. As you can see, the recording started, and now the screen is being recorded. To stop the recording, you can tap on this fade out menu and tap on the record button again. You can also pause it by tapping on pause button, like that. And once you stop the recording app will turn itself off and it will say that the screen recording file has been saved. You can tap on it on this notification to open it if you want to. Let's open the recording app again and tap on the settings icon. And here we have a couple of options. We have sound options. We can basically enable or disable to record the system sounds by tapping the switch, or we can also enable or disable to record the microphone sounds by tapping the switch like this. System sounds is basically everything that is on your phone, like music, system notification sounds, phone calls and stuff like that. Basically anything that is on your phone. And microphone sounds, of course, it's a microphone on your phone, so it's gonna record anything you say, basically. And you can also tap on more settings to open the settings menu for the screen recording, and here we have a couple more options. First we have the sound settings, the same as we had on this little menu. You can enable or disable the sounds. Next we have display category, and here we have two options. We have video resolution and frame rate. Let's tap on video resolution first, and here we can select the resolution of a video we are recording. And we have high, which is 1080p, we have medium, which is 720p resolution, and low, which is 480p. And they have also different bit rates. High has 16 megabits, I believe, per second. Next, medium has 8 megabits per second, and low has 4 megabits per second. And at the bottom you have also custom option, and here you can tap on it and select the resolution and then bitrate, as you can see. Select the resolution you like by tapping on it. I'm gonna select high, for example, and tap back to go back. Next we have frame rate, tap on it, and here we can select the frame rate of the video, my bad. And we have dynamic, which is gonna be adjusting the frame rate automatically. Then we have locked 30 frames per second. Then we have 24 frames per second, and lastly we have 15 frames per second. I recommend to leave it on dynamic, but if you want, you can select any you want by tapping on it. Next we have a video coding, and you can tap on it, and here you have two options. For smaller video sizes and for best compatibility. And select the option you like, basically by tapping on it. Next we have front camera. You can basically enable the front camera to record the video with it by tapping the switch. And at the bottom you have show screen touches. Basically, whenever you record the screen and touch the screen while recording, you will have this little dot that appears on the screen, and you can enable or disable this option if you want to see them or not. Okay. And that's how you record the screen on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.